What's up, YouTube? It's Robbie with Akshan Auto here in Tampa. Welcome back to the channel. Quick little video today. We received the fits package from Ford. It was complimentary because the hybrid orders were delayed. So let me go ahead and show you what we did get. Alright, so here we go, guys. We got a letter from Ford. I'll do a screenshot and put it up. Alright, so in the box here, we got a cup holder, little slot thing there. I think this is supposed to be a trash can, maybe. Bin. Phone cord holder, oh, that's nice. It actually says Ford on it. Wrap your cords around it. I'm not really sure what this is for. Bed divider, or not bed divider, storage divider under the seat, I believe. This one, another one, so these still the same, and another one, these two are the same. I guess you can move which way you want to. Alright, we also have some accessories that came in finally. So let me go ahead and show you those real quick. 1 second. Okay, so these are door sills. Let's open this up, see what it is, what it looks like. Okay, we know what it looks like. These are the smaller ones. I haven't opened these. Alright, so they say you can see through the blue Maverick for the front, and then just the back. Two sets, front and rear, left and right. That. Next, let's see what this is. This is the damper for tailgate. Yeah, the damper. Part number. I guess they cut it off the thing, fit it in there. And the brackets. I'm only seeing one bolt, so I hope this is all I need. Nothing's missing. I'm not going to open these, they're big, but this is the front and the rear mud flaps for the truck. And it comes with all the hardware. Anyway. This one is bigger. I believe is the window shades, the vent visors, and these are all fun. Seeing these for the first time. This is what they are. Front and rear window. Side window deflectors. I don't know if you can see that. Alright. And these are all Ford accessories. I do have some more stuff to show you. Let me get these out of here. And put the rest of the stuff. Here's some more stuff that we have planned for the truck. Crutch field. Right, these will be, I will be upgrading the sound system in the truck. So I'll be using these back speakers, basements, wiring. Again, from Crutchfield, these will be for the front speakers. ABC. Comes with the wires as well. Here's this one. I don't know how well it's gonna work, but we're gonna try this first before I add an amp to the truck or add an amp with this. But I decided to go with this one. Powered sub. Got pretty good reviews. So we'll see how that works out soon enough. Also coming up, I will be doing the spraying bed light. So kit comes with the gun. This one should be the material to spray. Yes. Raptor liner and the hardener. I went the cheap way. I bought it separately and it came out to less than $100 because it has been done before and I'm not following anyone. These are all things that I had planned to do, and you know, shipping and stuff is not what it used to be. It's not as quick. A lot of stuff is not available, so you have to wait till I'm back order. So there it is, guys. We got the fits package, and those are all the accessories that will be installed on the truck, things that I want to do. There will be videos on each thing, each item as we go along. So, you know, don't forget to like and subscribe and share and keep watching if you're interested in this stuff, if you like it. Thank you. Bye.